Welcome to our deep dive into the world of engines. Today, we're exploring the key differences between diesel and gasoline engines. We'll break down how each type works, analyze fuel efficiency and costs, and examine their power and performance. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which engine might be the best fit for your needs. Let's start with the basics. Diesel and gasoline engines both rely on internal combustion, but they operate quite differently. Diesel engines use compression ignition, where air is compressed to a high pressure and temperature, and then fuel is injected. This causes spontaneous ignition. Gasoline engines, on the other hand, use spark ignition, where a spark plug ignites the air-fuel mixture. Diesel engines typically inject fuel directly into the combustion chamber, while gasoline engines mix air and fuel before compression. This fundamental difference affects everything from fuel efficiency to power generation. Diesel engines are often found in trucks and heavy machinery due to their durability and efficiency under load. Gasoline engines, however, are more common in cars due to their smoother operation and higher RPM capabilities. Now let's talk about fuel efficiency and cost. Diesel engines are generally more fuel efficient than gasoline engines, often delivering 30 to 50% better fuel economy. This efficiency translates to lower fuel costs over time, especially for long-distance driving. However, diesel fuel can be more expensive than gasoline, and diesel engines typically have higher upfront costs. To understand the financial impact, we'll look at real-world examples and data. For instance, a diesel truck might achieve 25 miles per gallon compared to a gasoline truck's 15 miles per gallon. Over 100,000 miles, that difference adds up significantly. We'll also consider maintenance costs and how they affect long-term ownership. Finally, let's delve into power and performance. Diesel engines are known for their high torque at low RPMs, making them ideal for heavy-duty applications like towing and hauling. They produce a lot of power without needing to rev very high. Gasoline engines, however, excel in producing higher horsepower and can reach much higher RPMs, which is why they're favored in performance cars. Using dyno charts, we can see how these differences manifest in real vehicles. A diesel engine might generate substantial torque at 2,000 RPM, while a gasoline engine reaches its peak horsepower at 6,000 RPM. This explains why diesel engines are the go-to for trucks and machinery, whereas gasoline engines dominate the world of sports cars and everyday vehicles. All right, let's dive into the maintenance and longevity of diesel versus gasoline engines. First off, diesel engines typically require more frequent oil changes and fuel filter replacements. They also have more complex fuel systems, which can lead to higher maintenance costs. On the other hand, gasoline engines generally have lower maintenance costs, but they may need more frequent tune-ups and spark plug replacements. Now, when it comes to longevity, diesel engines often outlast gasoline engines. It's not uncommon for a diesel engine to last over 300,000 miles with proper care, whereas gasoline engines might start experiencing significant wear and tear after 150,000 to 200,000 miles. Factors like driving habits, maintenance routines, and the quality of the fuel used play a crucial role in engine lifespan. To maximize the lifespan of both engine types, regular maintenance is key. For diesel engines, ensure timely oil changes, use high-quality fuel, and keep an eye on the fuel system. For gasoline engines, stay on top of spark plug replacements, use the recommended grade of oil, and perform regular tune-ups. By following these tips, you can help your engine run smoothly for years to come. Moving on to the environmental impact, it's essential to consider emissions, fuel consumption, and regulations for both diesel and gasoline engines. Diesel engines are known for their higher nitrogen oxide and particulate matter emissions, which can contribute to air pollution. However, advancements in clean diesel technology have significantly reduced these emissions. Gasoline engines, while generally producing fewer nitrogen oxides, emit more carbon dioxide, which is a major greenhouse gas. Hybrid gasoline engines, which combine an internal combustion engine with an electric motor, offer a more environmentally friendly alternative by reducing fuel consumption and emissions. It's worth noting the impact of these emissions on air quality and climate change. Diesel engines, despite their advancements, still pose challenges in urban areas with strict emission regulations. Gasoline engines, especially hybrids, are becoming increasingly popular due to their lower environmental footprint. To wrap things up, we've covered a lot of ground today. We've explored the differences in performance, fuel efficiency, maintenance, longevity, and environmental impact between diesel and gasoline engines. Ultimately, the choice between the two comes down to your individual needs and priorities. If you prioritize fuel efficiency and longer engine life, a diesel engine might be the right choice for you. However, if you prefer lower maintenance costs and a smaller environmental footprint, a gasoline engine, especially a hybrid, could be the way to go. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Please leave a comment with your opinions, ask any questions you might have, and share your experiences with diesel and gasoline engines. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out our related videos by clicking the links on the screen. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and follow us on social media for more in-depth automotive content. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.